Heavy rainfall is expected to return across Punjab and Chandigarh starting today, that is Monday, as the India Meteorological Department has forecast widespread rain activity over the next 4 days. The Chandigarh Meteorological Centre had issued a yellow alert warning that several districts could witness moderate to heavy rainfall accompanied by thunderstorms, lightning and strong winds. The changing weather pattern is expected to bring relief from the recent spell of intense heat but may also lead to waterlogging and disruption in low-lying areas. According to the Meteorological Department, rain activity will begin intensifying from today, with weather conditions remaining favorable for the southwest monsoon to advance into the remaining parts of Punjab and Haryana over the next 3 days. Officials have also stated that an active western disturbance is influencing the weather across North India. The interaction between the advancing monsoon and the western disturbance is likely to keep the weather unstable, resulting in continuous rainfall across several parts of the state. And for today, a yellow alert has been issued for Pathankot, Hoshiarpur, Nawashahar and Roopnagar, where rainfall activity is expected to be more intense. Apart from these districts, light to moderate rain is likely at isolated places in Gurdaspur, Kapurthala, Jalandhar, Moga, Bathinda, Ludhiana, Barnala, Mansa, Sangrur, Fatehgarh Sahib and Mohali. The Meteorological Department has also warned that districts including Pathankot, Gurdaspur, Amritsar, Hoshiarpur, Nawashahar, Kapurthala, Jalandhar, Ludhiana, Fatehgarh Sahib, Roopnagar, Patiala and Mohali may experience thunderstorm accompanied by lightning and strong winds with speeds reaching between 40 and 50 kilometers per hour. Residents in all these areas have been advised to remain cautious, avoid unnecessary travel during heavy rain and stay away from trees and electric poles during thunderstorms. Well, despite scattered rainfall over the last 24 hours, temperatures remained high across many parts of Punjab. The maximum temperature in the state increased by 0.9 degrees Celsius and is now close to the seasonal average. Bathinda emerged as the hottest district, recording a maximum temperature of 40.3 degrees Celsius. High humidity levels combined with rising temperatures created uncomfortable weather conditions across several regions on Sunday, increasing the demand for electricity throughout the state. Rainfall was reported from different parts of Punjab during the past 24 hours. Patiala recorded the highest rainfall at 6 centimeters, while Jalandhar and Ludhiana each received around 5 centimeters of rain. Although these showers provided temporary relief from the heat, meteorologists believe that the upcoming spell of rainfall will be much more widespread and could significantly improve weather conditions across the region. The rising temperatures also resulted in a sharp increase in electricity consumption, and according to the official data, Punjab's power demand reached nearly 16,000 megawatts on Sunday. And by around 5 p.m., electricity demand had climbed to approximately 15,840 megawatts. And out of this, the state generated nearly 4,900 megawatts of power on its own, while around 10,300 megawatts was supplied from the central power pool. Government-owned thermal power plants generated about 1,657 megawatts, while private thermal plants contributed approximately 2,762 megawatts. Hydroelectric projects generated nearly 450 megawatts of electricity. Officials also confirmed that one of the 4 generating units at the Ropar thermal plant remained shut during this period. Authorities are also keeping a close watch on the water levels in Punjab's major reservoirs, as rainfall activity is expected to increase. At Bhakra Dam, the water level was recorded at 1,564.02 feet and the reservoir received an inflow of 38,585 cusecs of water while releasing 24,365 cusecs downstream. Meanwhile, Pong Dam recorded a water level of 1,318.49 feet with an inflow of 15,336 cusecs and an outflow of 15,505 cusecs. Well, all these figures indicate that the reservoirs continue to receive a steady inflow as rainfall gradually increases across the catchment areas. Surendra Pal, director of the Chandigarh Meteorological Centre, said that weather conditions remain highly favourable for the southwest monsoon to cover the remaining parts of Punjab and Haryana within the next 3 days. He added that the active western disturbance over North India is supporting rain-bearing systems which are expected to keep rainfall activity active across the region throughout the week. Looking ahead, the forecast suggests that July 7 will witness rainfall across most districts of Punjab, while Pathankot, Hoshiarpur, Nawashahar, Roopnagar and Mohali will remain under alert for thunderstorms and lightning. On July 8, light to moderate rain is expected in all the districts, with Pathankot, Hoshiarpur, Nawashahar, Fatehgarh Sahib, Roopnagar, Patiala and Mohali likely to experience heavy rainfall, along with thunderstorms and lightning. Similar weather conditions are expected on July 9 as well, with widespread rain continuing across Punjab and alerts remaining in place for Pathankot, Hoshiarpur, Nawashahar, Fatehgarh Sahib, Roopnagar and Mohali for heavy rain, thunderstorms and lightning. With monsoon activity now strengthening over Punjab, residents are advised to stay updated with the latest weather advisories, avoid travelling through waterlogged roads during heavy rainfall and take necessary precautions against lightning and strong winds. While the upcoming spell of rain is expected to provide much needed relief from the heat, authorities are urging people to remain alert as changing weather conditions could also lead to localized flooding, traffic disruptions and temporary power outages in some areas over the next few days. That's all for now. Stay tuned to the Savera for more updates. Do like, comment and subscribe to the channel.